It's got to be a Chinook. I can't see anything because of the sun. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's not a Chinook. See it right there going into the tree? Can't see the camera. Okay. Wow, is that loud? Yeah, it's right up there in the... It's got to be an Army helicopter. Well, that was loud for a minute. It's still loud. Boy, I'd like to live in an airport, near an airport, where all you're going to hear is that every single day. Yeah, that's terrible. Just like a jet airport. Come on. That's loud to everybody. Even me.